Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Ramblin' Man by the Allman Brothers. Cool. What a great, funky, bluesy song that is. Anyway, so here's the rhythm parts. If you want to play along with the record, you got to tune down the whole guitar a half step, okay? To E flat. Alright, so we got A major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. We got E major. 1, 2, 3. And we got one bar chord. We got F sharp minor. So second fret. And then 4, 4. Alright. So starts with that intro. We're gonna hit A, E, D, and then D, A. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, D, A. And then the song kicks in. So A, G, D, A. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. A, G, D, A, D, E, D, A, F sharp to D. So that's the first verse. That's also exactly the chords for the choruses. All right, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, D, A. So that's first verse and the choruses. From now on, every verse will be, we're skipping the G. We're going A, D, A, and the rest is the same, okay? So D, A, D, and A. A, D, and E. D to A, F sharp, D. Then, yeah, I think that's pretty much, we got another breakdown in the middle. And then the ending is just A, G, D, A, G, D, A, G, D, another verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. First verse. G, D, A, D, and E. D, D, A, F sharp, D, A, D. Intro, come on. That. Ramblin' Man. Thanks guys for tuning in. Awesome. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic rock tunes. Be safe.